Hello students, in this video lecture class, we will discuss AC through RC series circuit. In RC series circuit, we take resistor and a capacitor connected in series, having the resistance value R and capacitance value C, and connect it across a AC source of supply having the instantaneous value of voltage V equal to Vm sin omega t, due to which current I is flowing through the circuit and let voltage across resistor is Vr and across capacitor is Vc. Now let capital V, capital VR and capital Vc, these are the RMS value of voltage. This is the supply voltage, RMS value of voltage across resistor, RMS value of voltage across capacitor. Here VR is I into resistance and Vc is minus I into Xc. Okay. You take I into Xc. Now, according to KVL, V is equal to VR square plus VL square Vc square root over. This is the magnitude form. If I represent this one in complex form, V equal to VR plus minus J Vc. Why I write minus here? See, as you know, Xc is equal to 1 by J omega C in the complex form. Or I may write this equation as minus J by omega C. Hence, it is minus J Vc. Both in magnitude and complex form, I will solve this equation. What is V? V is I into total impedance of this RL circuit. VR is I into R whole square and Vc is I into Xc whole square. It's root over. If both side LHS and RHS, this I is cancelled out, it gives the total impedance of RC series circuit. Okay. Now I solve the same equation in the complex form. By any one method you can solve the equation. It is I into Z, I into R minus J into Xc. I both the side cancelled out, so it gives the total impedance R minus J Xc, or you may write R minus J 1 by omega C. Now you draw the voltage triangle for RC series circuit. Here, for drawing the phasors diagram for a series circuit, you take current as a reference because current is same in case of series circuit through every and each element. So I take current as a reference phasor. Now voltage, from this equation it is very clear that the voltage, total voltage, that is the supply voltage is the phasor sum of voltage across resistor and voltage across capacitor. Voltage across resistor is in same page with current, and across capacitor it lags the current by exactly 90 degree. So their resultant give total voltage V. Now from this voltage triangle, it is very clear that current leads the voltage by an angle of phi. This is the power factor angle. So here it is very clear that the equation for instantaneous value of current is the instantaneous value of current is Im sin omega t plus phi, because at this phi angle current leads the voltage V. Now what is Im? It is maximum value of voltage by the impedance. Now you draw the impedance triangle. Likewise in case of RL series circuit, here also you draw the impedance triangle. Okay. This is the phasor for R, this is the phasor for XC, and this one is the phasor for Z, and this angle is power factor angle phi. The second diagram is called as the impedance triangle. So from this voltage triangle you get the power factor cos phi is the cosine angle between current and the voltage. From the impedance triangle, this phi is cos phi. Cos phi is total resistance by total impedance, okay, and the power factor angle phi is equal to tan inverse of Xc by R. In case of inductive, it is inductive reactance by resistance, but in case of capacitive, it is capacitive reactance by resistance. Next, we derive for the power for an RC series circuit. Students, in case of RL series circuit, I derive the instantaneous power, then after I derive the average power. Here, that is the one method. Here I use the another method. It is the easiest one. As you have learned, the average power consumed by purely capacitive circuit is 0. Hence, in this case, you are very clear that the average power is consumed only by resistor. So instead of using the trigonometric formula, I direct use the second method to find the average power. So average power consumed by only the purely resistive circuit, which is equal to I square into R. I break this I. This is I into R. What is, I keep this I constant and again break this current I. What is I? Total voltage by total impedance into the resistance. Then Vi I make constant and make R by Z. What is R by Z? From this impedance triangle, it is the power factor. So Vi cos phi is the average power consumed by RC series circuit. So in the same, next you draw the power triangle. In the same way you have draw in the RL series circuit. Same way you have draw. So students, in this study you have learned, in case of RC series circuit, when AC supply is given to the circuit, then current leads the voltage, leads the voltage by an angle of phi, which is less than 90 degree. Then you get the definition, three definition of power factor. The first definition is, it is the cosine angle between voltage and current. Second definition, it is the ratio between total resistance to total impedance. The third definition from the power triangle is that, here I have not drawn the power triangle, but it is same as the RL series circuit. So you may follow that RL series circuit power triangle procedure diagram. Okay. So the power triangle says that the power factor is the ratio between the active power to the apparent power.